Good morning. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Wednesday, July 14th, and this is your opening bell market update. U.S. stock futures are trading higher Wednesday as upbeat earnings help to boost investors' confidence that the economic rebound will pick up. Economic reports due out today include retail sales, and the Commerce Department is expected to report that retail sales fell by 0.2% in June, better than the 1.2% drop seen in May. In corporate news, Intel reported its best quarter in company history after the closing bell Tuesday as large corporations started buying new computers. ASML Holding N.V. also reported stronger than expected quarterly earnings. Taking a look at market futures now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are trading 23 points above fair value, the S&P 500 trading 2.5 points above fair value, and the Nasdaq Composite trading 13.5 points above fair value. Now let's turn to Andy Zamfotis from Lagard Capital. Andy, what is going on in the markets today?
Morning, Christy. Well, markets pulled together their sixth straight day of gains yesterday. There's this continued view that earnings aren't going to be as bad as some people had thought just about 2 weeks ago, and Intel proved them right. Last night they put out what they call their best quarter ever. They reported 51 cents a share. The street was expecting 43 cents. They also boosted their full year guidance for gross margin, which is a very encouraging sign that they have a lot more confidence in their pricing. Their stock is up about 6%. That should probably give a boost to tech stocks this morning. Yum Brands also reported they had a better than expected quarter, but the guidance was a little bit disappointing. And that stock's down about 3%, so we'll be looking at the casual dining space to see if that weakness will spread to other stocks. Earnings it's a little quieter on the earnings front today, but tomorrow's a full day. We have JP Morgan and Google among the companies, and we're going to need to see some continued strong quarters and guidance if this momentum can continue. But a slight pause today is not only probably expected after the big week we've had last week and the past couple of days, but also somewhat healthy as we need to probably consolidate some of these gains if we want to push and try to break above the 1130 recent high in the S&P and break this downtrend we've been in. On the economic front, there is some news out this morning. At 8:30, we have retail sales. They're expecting a slight dip, and we also have Fed minutes out this afternoon, so that'll probably help set the tone for today.
All right, Andy, thanks so much for your insight. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more news and market analysis throughout the day, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade the Trend. Also, check our website, tradethetrend.com, for more headlines.